Hello guys and welcome to a new tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the AI feature on Notion. So basically now you will need to open your Notion desktop client, or you can just connect to your Notion web portal with your Notion account, or you can just connect with the Google or Facebook account. Basically here in this example I have just created this new page, and now we need to call the AI command so we can use it. All you can do is to click on this plus sign, or you can just click on the slash, type a slash here, and here we will find the first thing, which is called ask AI to write, or you can have some other AI features like outline, social media posts, have creative story, whatever you want. There is, for example, let's write a sales email about, for example, about let's have just a mouse, uh, or a collection of arts as about, or illustrate about ice. Uh, I don't know, you can about forest, for example. You just have here, and here it will start generating some text and generating this cell campaign that you have asked him. So here there is, dear customer, we hope all this email finds you well. We are excited to announce, etc., etc. Also, you can use the AI to do multiple things. For example, you can ask to write a joke about animals, for example. Animals. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything, including owls of the animals. I don't get the joke, but still you can use this feature to write to you whatever you want. For example, brainstorm ideas on. Uh, you can give it whatever you want about on uh, uh, good, or on. You can give it, for example, on mouses. I don't know. You just, yeah, like literally you can use the AI to write you whatever you want, and you can either click done, make it longer, continue writing, for example. In here, as you can see, it is giving me some ideas in the console. It's giving me some ideas like design a customizable mouse that allows user to change the weight and shape to fit their needs, etc., etc. Also, you can have your AI that will, for example, there is another feature of AI. For example, it will give you some summary. Where is it? So you will have here recruiting emails, pros and cons list, meeting agenda, poem, essays, creative story. Here it will give you, for example, the outline about this page, for example, and just as you can see, purpose of the page, conclusion, because our page is cover our alt collection, etc. So basically you can have the AI used in generating multiple ideas, multiple text. You can use it to help you to take your notes, for example. You can blog post, as you can see, blog post about, for example, cryptocurrency here, and it will start writing about crypto, as you can see. And this is like a new article with titles or headers, and also with some good text. Also, it will give you introduction and well structured article that will be written with your uh, AI feature of Notion. So basically this is how you can use the AI feature of Notion. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.